Hi Cancer, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of November. I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Cancer, name me a country that hasn't been colonized. Yellow? I'm getting something about the color yellow. Now let me say this for the record, because I have watched Power Rangers Mighty Morphin movie when I was younger. And I'll be damned if you think you're going to give the black girl yellow to put on and give the white girl pink. Pink Ranger's supposed to be black. We know this. And how do we know this? Because Adam, who was Black Ranger, was Asian. No, that's when you get the blood clot black and yellow from. When you put Alicia as Yellow Ranger and Adam as Black Ranger, and when they want the black girl and the Asian man together, so you get the black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Was that black and yellow? They were talking about niggas and Asians. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. And then the green is because when you got a Asian nigga and you got a Chinese nigga, black nigga fucking with each other, money going come in. The maths Asian brain do a CT scan. Money pa my brain, dog. Money pa my brain, every woman, every man. Money pa my brain, yo. Money pa my brain, yo. Edmonton, money pa my brain. You understand? This is what I'm saying, right? So me getting So me getting, I don't know if I read my Power Rangers. Me getting the black girl going in a pink this time. And the other characters, whether you want cast an Indian, an Asian, what is this behavior, or any other, them going to be Yellow Ranger. I'll be damned when I did this shit back in 1990 on with Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. Why was I always have the blood clot black girl with braids in her hair? Because apparently black girl can't grow hair. When I never even met the black girl put on a wig like Alicia. No, when I met the black girl in some blood clot braids, looking like her mother has to work 3 jobs so she can't have time to do her hair, so she has to send her to her hairdresser so her hair can be done for the month and send her to school properly. That's how the fuck Alicia looked. I'll be damned. So if you're planning to remake Power Rangers, you better make sure say black. If you ever cast a nigga, you better make sure she a Pink Ranger. You get it? You get it now? You get it now? Great. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. I'm not fucking around with you. I am not your fucking anime character. I am not your fucking daytime personality entertainment. And I'm not fucking Yellow Ranger. I'm not fucking around with you. I want a character, which means I want to be placed. I want my favorite color, which means that it's pink. I am not fucking around with Power Rangers. I'm not fucking around with y'all. So correct it. Make it right. Talking about black girls can be Pink Ranger. Inside of my pink, it's pink. You want to open my and look, it is pink in there. Therefore, we will get Pink Ranger in 2024. We will. We fucking will. You guys remade Dragon Ball Z with a bunch of fucking American people. We never even cast no Asian Americans. If only can do Dragon Ball Z the movie with English characters, then black girl can be Pink Power Ranger. I'm not fucking around with y'all. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. We're doing your family tree reading, Cancer. I love you. Let's switch decks. I'll be fucking damned. Want me to be fucking Yellow Ranger? Yellow fucking Ranger, you want mans to be? Mans have yellow teeth. I don't need to be Yellow Ranger. Fuck. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's see what your female bloodline carries, Cancer. Cancer rules the breast. Cancer is a female, okay? Let's see what your female bloodline is. Cancer is the breast. So I'm getting you, yeah. Your bloodline carry, your bloodline bring life. Your pum pum bring life. Your bloodline bring life. I'm getting your bloodline is you come from royalty. I'm getting all of you are empresses or when it was empresses in last lifetimes. When you came from royalty, when the best of best everything, well treated, when you bathed in goat's milk. This is what I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling goat milk. I smell goat milk. I'm getting when I used to bathe in a milk. Cancer. I'm getting, yeah. So if you wonder why all of your family bougie, them always nails, hair, everything done, so girly. I mean, I can't believe it. It's because when it was empresses in the last life. When it was women with a lot of money, a lot of power, but no men around. That's why you so a little bougie, you know. That's okay. That's fine. I can be a little bougie too. It's okay. I use two brushes to do my edges. I'm a little bougie, you know, okay? So I'm guessing your females are very successful in your bloodline, Cancer. They're all great mothers, or them all had careers before they became mothers. Let's see what the challenge is for your females. Is the challenge is man with money? Whew, that is not a challenge. That is a fucking blessing. Your challenge might be that. Your challenge could be men with money always a try for control, you know. Me getting on the challenges is man. The man could be a Capricorn. The Capricorn could have money. So on is well kept, beautiful women, but on a don't. I don't know what to say this is, to be very honest. Cause it's saying that your challenge is the King of Pentacles. So is it that you're trying to find your counterpart? We are the Empress. The King is not a counterpart. The Emperor is. So I'm getting, you don't believe you should deal with the King of Pentacles because he doesn't have enough money. He doesn't come from royalty. Or this could be in this lifetime, people are called a gold digger. Yeah, because every life you have, the man them money there with you, them used to give you money. So you automatically come out like a gold digger energy in this life. You're like, where's the niggas who used to give me money in the last lifetime? I used to buy mottos and shit. They're not around. So even though you may carry the energy of an Empress and you're not an Empress, me getting, you keep on look for men who have money, because your last lifetime, your family tree has stated that men were always the ones who was supporting the girls in your family, because the girl in the family was always pretty as fuck. Maybe you were with wealthy men, but they never gave you the time. They just lock up in our nice house and go and work all the days of your life. So it could be, again, a lot of wealthy women, but no men around to match the wealth. What is the male bloodline blessing? The Five of Swords. I'm getting the males know how to scheme, plot, surveillance, and trick. I'm getting the males in the family know how to set up people. Don't know if that's a talent, a skill. I'm getting that's the blessing though. So the males, them know how to get out and into certain type of loop. What is the curse of the males in your family? The Tower card. Is either all of your male them spiteful, and after they do spiteful things, they regret it instantly. Me getting the male them vindictive, no fuck though. Me getting them will light place. I don't know which one of your family member them light house of fire. Me getting because you want to talk to them or you took away something from them. Me getting them light the fucking house of fire. You have a house, something about a house fire in your family. Or something about the man them. The whole of the man them love kick out the woman them. The whole of the man them love. I'm getting the women are so beautiful, so nice, so intelligent, so sweet. The man them. I'm getting the men want to see their sisters struggle and barefooted and fucked up. I'm getting the man them don't care. Them won't sacrifice them sister to get what them want. So I'm getting the men don't have a good relationship with the women in the family. What did you get from your mom's side? The Four of Cups. I guess you don't need a man. You don't need a man to make you happy. You don't need this whole man with money and wealth to make you happy. You're happy on your own. So your mother tell you how to teach you how to be content. Your mother teach you how to not beg. Just because somebody offer you something don't mean you have to take it. Me getting your mother teach you to do without. If you don't have it, don't ask for it. You do without it. You can get some candy. No, I can't. But mom said I can't have any. What do you mean mom said you can't have any? I'm telling you, you can get candy. Mom said I can't have any. What do you mean? I'm the boss of mom. I'm mom's boyfriend. I control mom. I'm telling you, you can have it. Mom said I can't have candy. You better don't go to those fucking neighbor houses, and if they ever ask you if you want a dinner plate, you better not say yes. If you fucking embarrass me that way, I swear to God, I'll bust your ass when I reach home. You better teach you from blood clot, young. Taking chips from the neighbors. What did your father teach you? The Strength card. Your father teaching you that only is soldiers, only is brave men. You also get a very, very animalistic like. Me getting you don't have loyalty. The man them not a loyalty. Me getting the man them act like animal, them savage like animal too. Yes, they can come around you and smile and laugh with you, but me getting you get too close, them are gonna fuck you up too. Maybe the man them jealous of the woman them, cause the woman them came out so perfect. The man them have to fight and work them ass off for what them wanted in life, while the woman them could have just attract a man who worked them ass off and then get them. Cause you're a pretty woman trying to attract a man who will work him ass off to support you. Okay? Now after the man work him ass off to try to find a woman to support, it don't mean that the same woman will be interested. They could settle for a girl who them don't believe them should be spending the money on. And what is your ancestors' advice? Advice from your ancestors is the 10 of, me getting it, me know is not an easy road. Me getting it not easy. Me getting you don't have a good relationship with your brothers or your father. It carries over to you not having a good relationship with men. Or me getting you feel like the only thing man can offer you money, nothing else. Them can't offer you enlightenment, you're already empress. Or me getting the man them in the family love mash up the relationship of the girls in your family. I don't know. Me getting the man them vindictive. Me getting them will push you off of one blood clot bridge if them could. I don't know why the men them don't like eat the girls. Yeah, the emperor, right? See a match here? Because I was going to say, it seems like you're settling. Or you wait for the emperor. So maybe that's why your mother tried to tell you, man will trick you, especially when them don't get what they want. You wait for the one who is willing to fight for you. Not the one who will trick you and run as soon as them get them chance to do it. So I'm getting, this is about being content alone until your emperor comes around. You're evil. Me getting the man them evil in your family, or the man them want to set you up with men who them know is beneath you. Pisces. We have evil Pisces and emperor. We also have the moon card and we have the empress again. Exactly. That is your counterpart. The emperor and the empress. See the empress here? No, maybe they might try to set you up on one. King of Pentacles. He's not an emperor. He's a King of Pentacles. He's a Capricorn, Virgo, or Taurus man. So this is your counterpart. I don't know if the Pisces is the man who is the emperor. But me getting, maybe that's what. The man them set up the girl them per man so that the man them can give the girl them money and the girl them come back and give them family member money. So me getting your brothers are pimping you out or something like that, some type of pimp out is happening. Me getting is either your brothers are doing it or somebody else will do it, something like that. One more. We got bears, yeah. So it's either after you find out this, I don't know if you're going to pack up and relocate and then with your man and fuck off with your brothers. Me getting something about the man them and the family man. Because me getting them do this to everybody. And then you're supposed to forgive them and then everything is great again. No, the fuck it's not. How is that? Let's go. We have Cancer. You might be dealing with a Cancer. I trusted the wrong person. I know I just draw, but I'm trying again. And I am the game. Everything in a green. I'm going to leave it here until next time. We're doing Cancer. We're doing Cancer's reading. Cancer. Oh my God. You're here. Ah. Cancer, they must pay you since you show up in your reading. Every time you show up in your reading, you must get a payout. You hear? At least you were on time and you were present. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.